Hi, thank you for tuning into the Big Green Tractor. I thought this would be kind of a neat drawing to do because there's a new country song out called the Big Green Tractor. Thought it might be kind of neat to draw one of those. I like the perspective of the three-quarter drawing where the nose of the tractor is closer to you than the rear of the tractor, and you can kind of imagine sitting on the ground and looking at this tractor because the nose of the tractor is so high. This drawing took about 14 minutes, I think, in order to draw. So I had to edit out 4.5 minutes, give or take, so that I could get it under the 10-minute mark for YouTube. It's always hard for me to edit out things like that, only because some of you would like to see angles of every line. So what I try to do is delete any repetitive lines or drawing over the same line with my pencils. I like the narrow nose tractor. Reminds me of tractors that I worked with up in Minnesota. When I'd have a summer off, I'd go up there and work in the fields, picking potatoes and using a swather to pick up hay. But nevertheless, I like these narrow tires, how they come together in that manner. I'm going to be playing a little Chronic Turbulence while I don't speak. This is played by a band in Denver. Lead singer is Phil. Instrumentation is guitar is you're hearing right now is Joe. There's also another piano player. There is Jonathan, and on the drums is Scott. So just sit back, kind of enjoy the music. I'll come back to you toward the end of this video. It's a pretty cool little song. It's about being used, and even though you're being used and you're trying real hard, you're kind of defiant. You don't want to be suffering, but you're in the relationship. So it's a pretty cool song. Kind of like a guy walking around in the rain all day. Anyway, enjoy. I'll come back to you at the end.
Getting by doesn't get any easier when everyone wants a piece of me. I'm dragging my feet with nowhere to go, trying to find myself something better. Waking up doesn't get any easier. It's a struggle tearing me apart, you know it is. They're trying to take a piece of me they don't deserve. Hear me telling you the same old thing every day.
Every tractor needs a smokestack. So I'm putting in a muffler right here. That first line was the center of the pipe. Notice the pipe is, or the muffler is much higher than you, so you're looking at the very, I'm making the bottom of that muffler there. You can see how you can't see the very top because it's rounded up. There's a little flap there to keep the rain out of the engine. I like that marker I'm using. It's got a very sharp point on it. The other side is quite big. You can really get a thick line, as I used on the body of the tractor. I want to thank you for watching this video, and you almost feel like you're in a farm now, can't you? But subscribe to my videos, and I've got quite a bit of fun stuff on there, dragsters and different things I'm involved with, even my artwork with using horseshoes. You can see my Southwestern art. Hope you enjoyed this one. Guys, have a great day. Catch you on another video.